Hello, I'm Eric Gibbons, the author of ArtEdGuru.com and of a lot of videos and blogs and stuff. But I'm also a teacher, and during this COVID pandemic, I've had to turn a guest room into my studio and teaching space. So this will be helpful if you need to set up a home office to work at home. But also as a teacher, you're going to see how I set that up. And as an art teacher, there's some extra tips that I'm going to show you that were really helpful. You're going to have to forgive the camera being handheld, but I need to take you through on a little tour. All right, let's get started. So one of my paintings, another painting. And one tip is to have something hanging on your door so other people know not to enter if you're videoing or conferencing. You could obviously use a hanger or something, but that's what I'm using. So we'll back up here. I got myself a green screen on Amazon, and I've got my desk all set up. I've got my COVID-19 mask, my N95 style mask. There's a video on that, and then my altered book project for my students, which is what they're working on. And then I've got my little setup area. Now I can pull all of this away and teach as I need to. My garbage can to throw stuff away and keep the space neat. Now, if you're an art teacher, you know you're going to be using paint and stuff, so it's really important to cover your carpeting. And I did this doubly so by using a tarp first, and then a canvas tarp. And down here you can see another tip. I used fender washers and screws to make sure it's into the floor. So if I shimmy my chair or table, my floors will still be protected from behind. So that's really helpful. As I said, this used to be a guest room, so that's been pulled to the side. I took a tripod and put my gooseneck video holder there, so I'm able to pull it all together. And that does seem to work so far. And then my closet, I've had to rearrange it for my art supplies and teaching supplies. So a few little hacks or tips that I kind of figured out is I've got my tablecloths. If I want to do, different color backgrounds, just put them on a hanger. You can even put bags on hangers so you can hide some things in there. Using boxes as little shelving units can be helpful. I got these on Amazon. They're little acrylic shelves. They're 15 inches by 4 inches deep. And I put them on with command strips that you can see back here. So when this is all over, I can just pull the strip and then the shelves come out. But that gives me lots of extra shelving area to kind of put my little crafty items for what I'm going to be doing with the kids. And I found a simple drawer unit from IKEA that we had in another guest room and pulled them in here. So I can have all of my electronics and doodads in here. And I can have my tools and adhesives in here. And on the bottom shelf, I'm going to be putting my drawing paper and canvas. And then in between, I've got these laundry bins, but they work really great for supplies like painting supplies and cups, drawing supplies, and other assorted odds and ends. And then I have my portfolios, and that's got about 30 years of my teaching samples all in one place. So over the summer, I'm going to be doing lots of YouTube videos to prime up for when we do go back to school. I'll have all of my introductions all set up. So this is my studio. I hope it's been informative, and maybe you can pull some information from this for your own studio setup. I'll put a link in the description as to where I got some of these items. You can certainly post a question, and then I will get back to you with as much information as I can. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share with anybody you think this might be helpful for. You have a great day and stay safe.